Hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one subscribe, two like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4 subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is how to solve linear equation in one variable. And this is for week 7, second quarter. This is teacher Marife Adonis. Linear equation in one variable or first degree equation can be solved by applying the properties of equality. So the letter A, we have addition property of equality, or APE. Adding the same number to both sides of an equation does not change the value of the equation. For example, let us solve x minus 3 is equals to 4. Then, by adding a positive 3 to both sides, the answer is 7. So all you have to do is just cancel. So because this is already 0 pair, so bring down x, and then 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Next, we have the second property, which is subtraction property of equality. Subtracting a number or the same number to both sides of the equation does not change the value of the equation. For example, x plus 8 is equals to 8. So we need to subtract both sides by negative 8. So this will cancel. Then 6 minus 8 is equals to negative 2. Okay, right? Next, we have the multiplication property of equality, or the MPA. Okay, multiplying both sides. No? Multiplying both sides of the equation by the same number does not change the value of the equation. Okay, so we have here, since the denominator is a 5, so we multiply both sides by 5. So this one is cancelled. Therefore, x is equals to negative 15, because negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Okay, so let's have now the division property of equality. So still under the MP, dividing both sides of the equation by the same number does not change the value of the equation. So for example, 6x is equals to 24 divided by 6. So divide both sides by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. Right? Now let us solve the unknown here. Okay, for number 1, x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. So how are we going to do this? Okay, so we have x is equals to, or since it's positive, we need to subtract. No, we need to subtract both sides by, so plus 2 minus 2, no? That is equals to negative 5 minus 2. So we need to add or subtract negative 2 from both sides. So we have x is equals to negative 7. Okay. And then we have x plus 11 is equals to 20. So the same, we need to subtract, negative 11 from both sides. Is equals to 20 minus 11. So here, therefore x is equals to 9. Okay. Next, for number 3, x plus 1/3 is equal to 3/4. So we need to subtract both sides by negative 1/3. Minus 1/3 is equals to 3/4 minus 1/3. Okay, so this is cancelled. Therefore, so we will use the space here, just like in a regular board. So we have x is equals to, okay, so we will get the LCD of 4 and 3. So the LCD is 12. Or the least common denominator, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so 9 minus 4 is 5 over 12. So therefore, the value of x is equals to 5/12. Okay? Next, for number 5, for number 4, we have here, so we will divide both sides by 4, or we can multiply, no? So we can use MPE here. So we multiply both sides by 4 is equals to negative 2 times 4. So this is cancelled. Therefore, x is equals to negative 8. Okay. Next, here, we need to divide both sides by 2. So cancel. Okay, x is equals to negative 8. Okay. Now, how about if we have long method? Okay, so let us solve the following using addition and subtraction properties. And after that, we need to check if our solution is correct. So using this, okay, so we need to add 15 both sides. So a minus 15 plus 15 is equals to 3 plus 15. Okay, so cancel this. A is equals to 18. Now, how are we going to know that our answer is correct? So let us check. Okay. So A minus 15 is equals to 3. So your A is 18. No? A minus 15 is equals to 3. Therefore, 3 is equals to 3. So the answer is correct. So they are equal. Next. F plus 4 is equals to 16. So we need to subtract 4 from both sides. Okay. Minus 4 is equals to 16 minus 4. So cancel. F is equals to 16 minus 4 is equals to 12. Okay, check again. So we have F plus 4 is equals to 16. So always go back to the original equation. So 12 plus 4 is equals to 16. 16 is equals to 16. Okay, so it's check. Next. Okay, so let us solve this 2 6 is equals to 6 plus 1/3. Okay, so alright, so 2 6 is equals to x plus 1/3. Okay, so we multiply both sides by 6 because 6 is the greatest or common denominator, or the LCD of 6 and 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 2 is equals to 2, and 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 1 is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. No? So we have here negative 6x, because if we are going to interchange this interchange the sign, also interchange, so 2 minus 2, so negative 6x is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 0. Okay, so because anything that you multiply by 0 or divide by 0 is still 0, so we need to check the answer if it is correct. Okay, so from the original equation, which is so it is 2 6 is equals to, so the value of x is 0 plus 1/3, so 2 6 is equals to 1/3. Using cross multiplication, so 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times 1 is 6, so the answer is correct. The value of, okay, 60. Now this time we're going to divide this by 2. Okay, so cancel, x is equals to 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 is equals to 10, so 10 is equals to 10. So that is how we solve this linear equation in one variable. Okay, so for questions and clarifications, write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, one, subscribe. 2, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. And of course, I would like to thank everyone for continuously checking on my channel. Of course, thank you, Mrs. Roy channel, Michi, Park Hayon Vlog, Wena Vlog, and everybody out there. So for Little Ruby's Sticker Encounter, for always playing my channel. And of course, everyone, thank you so much. Love you all.